How do you make your marketing decisions? Based on gut or based on data? I want to show you a number right here. You see that? 250 million. That's 250 million data points from last year alone that we use at Snappy Kraken to make marketing decisions. 70 million emails. Over 600,000 digital campaigns. But here's what most people say. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't think my clients would like this. I don't think my clients would like that. I don't like the style of that. But you know what actually matters? What works? How does it perform? And the only way to know is to look at the data, look at the clicks, look at the opens, look at the conversions, and then double down on what's working and stop doing what's not. At Snappy Kraken, we don't make decisions just based on gut, just based on creativity. We make it based on what the data proves. And that is what I challenge all advisors to do. And when you start making your marketing decisions based on data, you will see your performance skyrocket too. Want to learn more? Download the State of Digital report.